Rich, one other question. Where can we get a pizza oven for our Chevy Spark?
EV. Spark EV you got.
That's funny. You know what? The Spark EV, it's a cool car. It's very inexpensive.
That's what I've been trying to tell all these guys for a long time, and they weren't believing me.
Keep it.
But let me say one thing. When you get in a Chevy Spark EV, you quickly realize that corners were cut. At the end of the day, it's a car made in Korea.
You know what? It doesn't have to be the Spark EV. The Chevy Spark quarter.
Yes, right.
Yeah.
What, Paul, to your point, get this. A Chevy Spark is a Korean car, right? Now, that's a gas-powered Korean car. Imagine the corners they cut when they made an electric one, which arguably cost double the price to manufacture. Corners were cut. I mean, the car will get you from point A to point B, but that's probably about it. You know,
did you keep yours? Is it still in your family or is it gone?
When I introduced that car, when I told my daughter, I literally told her, "Hey, listen, this car could be yours." When I talk about 0% interest in that vehicle, 0%. No interest. I'm like you don't understand how lucky you are. There's kids in Africa that don't have Chevy Spark EVs. She just didn't care.
Was that real time on the video, or was that a recreation?
No, that was real. Like I really, in the video, I really surprised her, and I pretended that I blindfolded her, and I was like, "Hey, you're getting the i8," and she's like, "Okay, you're an idiot." But then I said, "No, the pizza car is yours," and she showed. I mean, I think what killed
free pizza.
what killed it was the fact that it's like a meme. The car's a meme, pretty much.
It is. Yeah.
You know, and she's like, "Well, Dad, I have friends, and they can't sit back there."
Yeah.
And I'm like, "But it's a free car." She's like, "But
like, are the keys to the Tesla in the oven?
Huh?
Rich, keys to the Tesla in the oven, Pops?
Here's how you sell that story to her. Say, look, you're friends with trucks. Who are the first people that they call when somebody needs to move something, and then they have to deal with all that crap? You never have to deal with that. You just have to drive yourself.
Unless they're hungry and want pizza.
Unless they're hungry and want pizza, and then you're on call. Yeah.
Can you bring the pizza car over, please? We're all hungry here. You know, so it's a tough pit, but no, but you know the Chevy Spark EV. You know where they cut corners. But the idea, I like the idea of it. It's inexpensive. It's quick. It's
easy to park in the city.
Compact.
Yeah.
To me, it's a very easy. I think I would take that over a Nissan Leaf. I would take that over an older Nissan Leaf.
Yeah.
I would take that over the Fiat 500e. The e-Golf. It's hard because I actually like the fact the e-Golf looks like a regular Golf.
Yeah.
Which is hard. I think the Spark is a little goofy. And I think the e-Golf is it's like a hot hatch in a way. I kind of like the way e-Golf looks. It doesn't have the range, but I mean, it is what it is. But I think it's definitely up there in contenders in terms of cheap EVs, the short-ish range EVs. It's not bad.
Yeah, it's liquid cooled. I love how much it reminds me of my Volt back when I had that car.
Yeah, it's really not bad. Will I drive it? No. But no, the little Chevy Spark it's cool. It's cool. Definitely cool.
Nice.